Well, I started in the first place because I was fatiguing quickly and just like didn't feel like that athletic. But it was mostly the fatigue because it was making like basketball not fun for me because
Mhm.
I would get tired so quickly. So that was a big reason. And also I had big toe pain. I had
Sesamoy.
I didn't really have that much like knee pain, but I don't know. I was kind of like just wanted to be more athletic because I saw my teammates and doing stuff I couldn't do. So then, I started and I would get frustrated pretty quickly because, you know, obviously I wasn't where I wanted to be. And then some of the exercises were really hard or I wouldn't feel them when I'm supposed to. But you just have to be patient because I've gotten a lot better in the 12 weeks. And the best part is that I still have like a lot of room to grow, but
Right.
at least now I know what I have to do to get there instead of just kind of going through the motions and just hoping I get better.
Right. So
So
we had the ankle pronation issue in the first week. We also had the sesamoid pain, right? That you'll
yeah,
get after the games.
yeah, that's gone now. Like I used to like not be able to like walk out of practice. Like I have to like, or I have to walk really slow or take
Mm,
off my shoes would hurt or like my big toe was always like pointed up.
right.
So that's sort of gone away. Like I don't really have pain anymore, only on like certain exercises, but it's way down than what it used to be. That was probably one of my biggest issues. And we found out there was actually just, I have weakness in my big toe. So now that we know what that is, now I can actually tackle it instead of just hoping it gets better.
Right.
So that was really nice.
What about the glute sensation and the stamina?
The stamina has been a lot better, which is crazy because you tell me that it gets a lot better when your glutes are fully integrated, and right now
Yes.
that's not even true for me. So I'm already feeling the benefits, and I'm not even there yet.
Right.
So
We're only
I'm really
doing
looking forward to
yeah,
what happens when they are fully integrated.
yeah, because our number right now is single leg, we're still at 30 seconds. We're
Yeah,
doing the bench, the single leg on the bench for 1 minute 30. But the actual single leg, we're only doing 30 seconds. So just imagine if you go to 1 minute,
yeah,
2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, what's gonna happen?
yeah. I'm really excited for that because I really do feel the benefits, especially with the adhesions going down. So
Oh
like
yeah,
usually after practice, I would come home and I would roll out on a tennis ball on the spots that hurt, and there'd be at least 4, 5, 6. But now I come home and I can just take a shower and wake up the next morning and feel fine without even having to roll. So that's another big step forward.
right. I mean,
Um,
now it's all under control. It's like a 2 and 3 for this week, right? It's like
yeah.
2 spots and 2 and 3. Before that used to be a 9
Oh yeah. I used to have spots
hip
that were
flexor.
tender just to touch, like with your finger, and I'd have those. I used to get those a lot in like my hip socket or um, like the top of my calf behind my knee. Those I get those like almost every day, and it would just make life and like sports not as fun, just because you don't want to have to work out and then get mad because you're in pain and then come home and have to roll out because of the spot just for you to go play again. Like it's a bad cycle. So having to break that's nice.
Good. How do you feel?
That was the first time I ever felt my glute on my left side on that.
Good.
I
It's
didn't feel
changing.
really on my right, but I felt
Right.
on my left.
Very good. Because the right side, we know it's a little weaker, so it's going to take some time.
Yeah, catch up.
Good. So that means now if you try to accelerate, you can use your glute.
Yeah, that'll be nice because that'll help with like taking people off the dribble and stuff.
Yeah, that's going to be your first step. I mean, the quick first step, right? When you dip, boom, you're going to burn people, put them behind. But the glutes
Yeah,
has to be involved first. If the glute is not there, forget it. It's not going to, if you use a quad, it's too slow.
yeah.